Initiating production sequence. Status checks nominal. Systems initializing. Begin sequence. Status check. Raw material. Initiating material scan. Batch code, origin, and thickness verified. Pass. Confirmation requested. Verified. Material proceeding to inspection. Scanning initiated. Warning. Density variation detected. Panel failed. Approved. Apply marker.
The panels are in. Initiating humidity balance. Parameters look good.
The panel is secured. Coordinates aligned. Machining program confirmed. Digital caliper reading, 3D scan initiated. Confirm all measurements, deviations, and ports are within spec. Verification complete. Approval Preparations for final cabinet joining are complete. The panels are clean and coated with adhesive, but remain separate on the assembly table. Engaging AI sensors. Equalizing pressure. All 6 sides closed. Hydraulic pressure is stable at 65. Pressure holding at all points, curing time is proceeding.
Perfect grain match. Initiate scan. Scanning. Comparing to top panel. Confirmed.
The veneer is balanced. The cabinet is at optimal level. Depth critical. Automated sanding halted. Acknowledged. Proceeding with manual inspection. The pulp moisture passes analysis.
Verified. We can begin production.
Miswire detected. Requires correction. AI robots initiate slurry pour. Vacuum suction begins, draining water. Metal press seals mold. Ensure temperature is stable at 200 degrees Celsius. Pressure is good. Cone curvature is setting perfectly. Analyzing roundness. Thickness and depth scanning complete. Fiber distribution acceptable on units 1 and 3. Defect found in The resistance looks perfect.
Initiate winding sequence.
Affirmative. Voice coil production is now active. The AI reports turn spacing is within specifications, confirming connection point position. Initiating dynamic load test now. Observe the woofer response. Heating curve optimized. Cycle initiated. Processing at 100%. Quality check passed. Cooling phase active. Standby for retrieval. The trim module assembly is nearly complete. Excellent work checking the frequencies now. Applying adhesive with high precision. Reviewing the magnetic assembly for the woofer. The woofer frame and magnet system are complete. Magnetic flux density passed. Test. Wally status. The spider is securely in place. Voice coil alignment initiated. Adhesive application confirmed. Clamping sequence engaged. Concentricity check complete. Initiating voice coil rub test. It's moving perfectly. No friction. AI matching complete. Pair 4349 MP confirmed. Batch codes verified. AI scan initiated. Part placement is confirmed. Proceed to next module. Feed and melt initiated. Pressure.
Status update. All diaphragms cut.
Precision placement confirmed. Engaging mold locks. Pressure at optimal level. Lifting formed diaphragms. Controlled. Pair confirmed. Frequency response delta less than 0.2 dB. As selected matched pair.
The conductors appear flawless under magnification. AI has optimized the turn count and tension.
The AI has detected a slight irregularity in the winding tension. Adjusting voice coil alignment is optimal.
Adhesive applied. Bond initiated.
Monitor confirms secure attachment.
Moving to inspection point.
AI guidance is active. Ensure all adhesive fragments are removed. Ionized air cleaning is underway. Magnets and pole pieces are pristine. Displacement sensors look good, 1.3 microns. Gap is uniform across the circumference. Torque set, proceeding with tighten.
Proceeding with the magnetic flux test. Probe engaging.
Initiating rotation.
Holograph active. Watching.
The driver produces clear and precise tones across the frequency range. Balance between the two diaphragms is optimal.
Pulp moisture check initiated.
Verification in progress.
Batch 4349W1 passes.
Preparing for transfer.
Formulation confirmed. The pellets are blended and dried. Moving to the next phase.
Barrel temperature confirmed. Pressure and holding time are within spec. Confirmation issued. Molding initiates. Transferring completed part to assembly. The sonoglass is stabilizing. We're at the target thermal profile. Confirming no shrinkage or stress detected. The cooling cycle is complete.
The throat is perfect. Verified. No excessive material removal.
The throat depth and mouth expansion are perfect. Excellent symmetry on the waveguide curves. Data matches the design model perfectly. Confirmation confirmed.
The horn geometry is complete. The robotic coating is applying the low reflection surface now. Perfect. It looks ready for the next stage.
The horn assembly is showing perfect frequency response. Vertical coverage is stable, ready to log. No vibration or resonance detected.
The batch codes confirm the walnut veneer cabinets and the woofers are ready for storage. The speaker cabinet is now complete. Crossover inductors are beginning to take shape.
The inductors are completed. Magnified analysis confirms 0 imperfections. Move the cabinets into staging.
All right, tolerance is within spec.
Looks good. No bridges here. Temperature is optimal. Ready for the next stage.
Switch is secure. Resistors look good. Final torque check on the switches. System confirms complete. Installing HF trim knob. Verification successful. Installing UHF trim knob. Ensure polarity is correct. Continuity checks passed. Verified mounting points. Ready for test.
The crossover operates according to design. Adjusting the HF trim now.
Dynamic load test complete. Verification confirmed, proceeding to next stage. Preparing crossover for installation.
Initiating pressure test.
Seal verified.
The acoustic sheets are perfectly calibrated.
Depth and alignment look perfect. Applying sealant now. Torque set, go ahead and tighten. Checking for seal compression. System indicates airtight fit. The terminal assembly has passed mechanical and electrical inspection. Proceed to installation. The robot cuts the driver wiring. Polarity check passed. Clearance is verified. Proceed with pad placement. Initiating screw tightening sequence.
Status check complete. Wiring verified. Affirmative. Internal systems are online. Beginning driver installation prep. The inspection of the horn throat is complete. Everything looks perfect on the label. Preparing the approved assembly for installation. Connection made. Verification pending.
Confirmed. Polarity and resistance passed.
Wire secured. Clip engaged.
Status. Installation verified.
Ensure the cross pattern is exact. Verifying the flushness of the waveguide. Initiating mid-high frequency sweep test.
Confirming detent response.
Test passed. Final confirmation on display. Condition is perfect. Confirming terminals and voice coil alignment. Scan complete. Passes all tolerances. The gasket is properly secured. AI confirms the roundness and thickness are within tolerance.
Polarity check initiated. Cone moves smoothly. Status confirmed. Correct polarity.
Alignment confirmed. Ready for fastening. Torque check confirmed. All values are within tolerance.
Excellent. The frame and gasket are perfectly seated.
The woofer is solid. Check the horn's airflow. Air is flowing evenly. I'm adjusting the knob now. Monitoring the compression driver. It's
Terraces. The AI guidance identifies areas of uneven sheen. We'll polish these sections carefully. Applying turntable initiated. Geometric scan beginning. Data confirms cabinet squareness. Proceed to edge check. All components perfectly flush. Dimensional check complete on the new set.
Bring the next grill frame over, please.
Calibrating measurements.
Grill secured. Moving to the next unit.
The tension and weave uniformity are excellent,
Wait, the color consistency is off here.
marking the defect.
Acoustic transparency is optimal on the rest.
AI confirms secure fastening points. Fabric tension is within specification. Proceeding to next staple. Precision. Magnetic lock initiated. Verified. Secure. Final status confirmed. Ready for packaging.
The robot has completed the transport. Beginning acoustic inspection now. Check the base ports and connect the cables.
The dynamic load testing is showing excellent thermal stability. Laser alignment is confirmed on both drivers and mics. AI matching complete. Pair certified.
The woofer is undergoing low frequency, excursion, and distortion testing.
Bracing separate, panels ready.
Engaging the mid-high range tests. Sensitivity, distortion, and linearity are stable. Checking the HDI horn assembly, any vibration.
The dispersion map looks promising at this angle. Off-axis coverage matches the specification.
Initiating vertical tilt sequence.
Confirmation confirmed. Uniformity is excellent.
UHF trim test initiated. Engaging sweep signal. Analyzing crossover at the -1 dB setting. Tonal continuity is pristine. Solid drum impacts and clear vocals. This system is operating cohesively. The break-in cycle has begun. Music, then pink noise and sweeps.
frequency response.
Frequency response and sensitivity are within limits. Checking distortion. Values match initial data.
The alignment is perfect.
Confirmed. They're a pair.
Grill secured. Moving to final inspection.
Verified.
Sweep initiated. Testing complete. Binding post and jumper bar OK. Serial label verified. Foot pads present. Grill secure. Click.
Scan complete. QC signed. Status verified. Ready for shipment. Doors are opening now.